So the biopharma world is a very competitive world right now. And for research and development is expensive, it's time consuming. What we do in IridescentBio is to try to help provide virtual prototyping services to help in the R&D process of new therapeutic antibodies. And of course, these days, the best way to do that is via a SaaS platform.
What IridescentBio is doing is just a massive computational workload that they were facing. They knew they needed a streamlined process, they needed fast results. It was just taking way too long in the on-prem solution. Ankercloud, as an AWS SaaS competency partner, we combine strong technical expertise and provide cloud solutions that are tailor-made to the specific needs and requirements of our customers.
With Ankercloud, we approached them with our goals, and they came back to us within, I think, a week and a half with a really concrete plan of how to make this happen in the cloud.
So the process in implementing the solution was to start with the SaaS discovery program to really understand their status quo. We started implementing the HPC infrastructure on AWS that includes virtual machines, that includes storage, networking, to then guarantee optimize processing time and deliver results to their customers much faster. AWS HPC clusters are great for scalability and growth. So wherever there is a peak, when they require more capacity, then it can automatically scale up. And whenever that is not required, it can also scale down to save costs.
Our platform, at its very foundational core, was developed with security first. When the user hops into the platform, it launches a fresh instance on EC2. The data for the modeling is completely localized on that one node. It's a protected, encrypted environment. It lasts only as long as needed for the calculation to run, and then all the data is deleted, so we ensure maximum confidentiality and protection that way for the user. The response we've gotten is positive. Users are quite happy with the simplicity of using the platform.
Having a SaaS solution built on AWS and leveraging the SaaS factory team and also us as a partner, they were able to go to the market 70% faster in under 6 months. AWS tools and services allowed it for them to decrease the time of generating the reports for their customers.
IridescentBio is at a very early stage right now, but we like to think big. If we can get these virtual tools and modeling technologies up to greater use within the industry, you can get results and do R&D faster. That means that better drugs can reach the marketplace faster. You can probably treat more possible human conditions, human diseases, because you have more of the talented people working on productive lines of R&D.
What the team at IridescentBio is building is just so significant, and that's also something that motivates us at Ankercloud. When we know what we're building really impacts, in a way, humanity and health.